Hey Rick, Sam Hersom here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. I know you said you wouldn't be able to make it until next Monday, but I did still want to make you this quick video of the car. I know pictures don't really do it justice, and it can be at times difficult to see what a car really looks like. So I'm going to put this video together so you can get a preview of what you're coming in to see. It is a 2012 GLK, Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. It is one of Mercedes-Benz most sought-after vehicles, here at the dealership anyway. We cannot seem to get these pre-owned GLKs in fast enough because they are sold just as quick. Really an excellent car, a combination of both great fuel economy and storage. You come to that side profile view and you can see the boxy shape to it is going to give you the most amount of storage room possible and still having that mid-size SUV name. Plenty of ground clearance there on the ground, and we do have those nice wheels on the side there. Looks like those tires have plenty of tread left. Now on the back, GLK 350 and 4MATIC badging. So 4MATIC is of course Mercedes-Benz version of all-wheel drive. So no matter what you're doing and going down to the beach in the summertime or going up skiing in the winter, you're going to have traction all the way around. Now let's go inside. I want to point out a couple things in there. All right, welcome to the inside. Like I said, I want to point out a couple of things in here. The black interior, the black MB-Tex seats on the inside are going to be very easy to keep clean. They're not going to be that fabric material, so you're not going to have to worry about getting stains in and out of those. While we're headed up top, this car, it's very rare for these 2012s to have a panorama sunroof, but you get the front and you get the back, so your passengers in the back have some glass to look out too. This car does have plenty of extra features for a 2012. Things like dual heated front seats, 6 CD changer if you do still have some CDs. This car also does have navigation, which not a lot of cars did in 2012, so that's going to be pretty convenient if you're taking a trip maybe down to New Jersey or something. Dual zone climate control down here, and it has just shy of 70,000 miles, and for a 2012 that is a car that's in great condition. So why don't you come on down Monday? I can set you up for a test drive, point out a couple of things I didn't in the video, and I can show you what a beautiful car this really is. So my name again is Sam Hersom here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz. If you do want to take a look at this, you can give me a call on my cell phone. That's 207-831-7391. All right, thanks for watching.